everyone. I am Mansi Jaiswal, Assistant Professor, Department of ICT, Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today's lecture is on data science roles. Data science is one of the most in-demand fields today and it offers a variety of career paths. Whether you are interested in analytics, machine learning or data engineering, there is a role suited for you. Data scientist. Data scientist is one of the most well-being roles responsible for collecting, analyzing, and interpreting large data sets to extract valuable insights. They build a machine learning model and use statistical techniques to solve real-world problems. A strong foundation in Python, R, SQL, machine learning, and data visualization is essential for this role. Data analyst who focuses on interpreting data, identifying trends, and creating reports to assist business decision making. Data analyst works extensively with SQL, Excel, and visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI to present insights in a meaningful way. Machine learning engineer to develop and deploy models into production system, ensuring they are optimized for performance and scalability. They work with technologies such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and cloud platforms. Next is data engineers. Data engineers play a crucial role in building and maintaining data pipelines and infrastructure. They ensure that the large volumes of data are efficiently processed, stored, and made accessible for analysis. Data engineers work with data technologies like Hadoop, Spark, and SQL databases. Business intelligence BI analyst who focuses on developing dashboards and reports to help businesses make data-driven decisions. They use BI tools like Tableau and Power BI to visualize key performance metrics. Next is AI research scientist, specializes in developing advanced AI algorithms and techniques. These professionals work on cutting-edge innovations in deep learning, reinforcement learning, and natural language processing, often contributing to the academic research and publications. Choosing the right role in data science depends on individual interests and strengths. Those who enjoy storytelling with data might find a data analyst or BI analyst role more suitable. If someone prefers coding and automation, then machine learning engineer or data engineer roles would be an ideal one. For individuals who have a strong interest in both coding and statistics, become a data scientist could be the option. Meanwhile, those passionate about theoretical AI research could consider the AI research scientist path. To enter the field of data science, one should start by learning essential skills like Python, SQL, and statistics. Gaining hands-on experience with data visualization, machine learning, and database management is crucial. Building a strong portfolio with the real-world projects, participating in competitions like Kaggle, and applying for internships can significantly enhance career prospects. As technology continues to evolve, staying updated with the latest advancement and continuously improving skills is one of the long-term success in the field. Thank you for your attention. I hope with this lecture you have got a gist of what data science roles are. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. In the next lecture, we will discuss the data science roles. Thank you for watching this video.